Hi, my name is Austin Holliday, and this is my custom project for first marking period of my second year here in Digital Media Arts program. And this time I decided to do something a little different. I am doing a top 10 video on who I think were the 10 best rock bands of this century. So basically for this project, it's going to have these features. It's going to try and be about 5 minutes in length. It's going to have graphics of their latest album, two live shots of the band performing, and a video clip of each band performing at one of their concerts. And it's also going to have lower third quartile graphics for display showing their ranked number and the name of the band. Next is the equipment and software that I chose to use to help me complete this project. First of all, I'm going to be using Adobe Premiere Pro, which that's to edit my video whenever I get it completed. I'm also going to be using Adobe Photoshop, and that's going to be to go in and kind of touch up some of the album covers and live shots of the band whenever before I go to put them in my video. Thirdly, I'm going to be using a microphone, obviously. It's the same microphone I'm using right now, actually, the GTD Audio lapel mic. And the reason I chose that microphone is because it's really high quality audio and I'm familiar with how to use it. And then next I'm going to be using PowerPoint because I have the bands laid out on a PowerPoint of how they're going to be ordered. And that's going to be in my final resource, which is the virtual classroom. And the virtual classroom is actually what's holding the PowerPoint so I can record my videos. So next are some of the educational resources I found. I'm not going to click on any of the video links because they're long videos. But some of the things I found a couple YouTube videos that were extremely helpful. Like the first one there on the screen, it was by James Wedmore, and he went in and didn't go completely into detail about it. It was kind of a beginner thing. So I found that really helpful since this is actually my first time doing something like this. And I went on and I found other websites about time lapsing and how to shoot your video and video production and pre-production and all sorts of stuff like that. Next is actually the timeline that I followed for most of the project. A lot of these are right on track with how I had. Like on the 23rd there, I started the PowerPoint and completed it a few days later. But the only thing that's off track on the timeline is when it says I was going to edit the video and record it. I actually haven't gotten to that yet. So as soon as I get free time, I'm going to get to that. And finally, you are going to see my POS alignment. So I choose number 503, demonstrate the use of connectivity, devices, and peripheral equipment. So basically what that is, I'm going to have to show like how to connect different equipment. Like the TV, that's a peripheral device because it's not actually part of the computer. It's connected to the computer. Second, I'm going to have to, well, number 1108, I'm going to have to edit a multimedia project. Basically, I'm going to have to show that I know how to edit a multimedia project, which in this case, this is multimedia because it's got pictures and it's a video. Then I'm going to have to be able to add audio and video to a site, which is number 1514. And I can show that by uploading my video to YouTube or even to my portfolio on our class website. And number 1109, create handouts or other visuals for multimedia presentations. What I was going to do for this to demonstrate this, I have things on Microsoft Word, a document that says a biography about each band. So that I'm going to be able to pass out in that. And delivering a multimedia presentation, basically what I'm doing right now would even be a good demonstration of that because I have visuals as my PowerPoint and it's a video. So I'd like to thank you for watching, and this is my third ever custom project of Digital Media Arts. I'm Austin Holliday, and I am out.